Second to see 8th chapter application integrals, application of integrals, exercise 8.1 first exercise. 7th question onwards we are discussing in this video. In last video already we discussed up to question number 6. Now 7th question, you see. 7th question, find the area of smaller part of the circle, smaller part of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. In new textbook some printing not there. You see, you correct that. X square plus y square equal to a square, cut off by the line x is equals to a by root 2. What is the given circle? X square plus y square is equals to a square, and cut off by the line x is equals to root to a by root. X is equals to a by root 2 line. A by root 2 line, no? A by root 2 line. So which area we are finding here? The smaller part of the area. See, x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the circle. The center is 0, 0, origin. Radius is a. So you draw the circle now. X axis, y axis, origin. This is the circle with radius a. This is the circle with radius a. Okay. So that means it is intersecting at x-axis a comma 0. X is equal to a by root 2. That is this line. It is intersecting the circle, or it is outside of the circle. Here x is equal to a by root 2. A by root 2 is less than of a. A value we are dividing some value. So that means we are getting less than of a. That means this is just to you assume as this is the x is equals to a by root 2 line. So which area we are finding here? The smaller area. Which one is smaller? This one smaller, this one smaller. This one only smaller. So this area we are finding this area. This smaller part of the area we are finding. Okay, this area, where to where we have this area? This a by root 2 to a. These are the limits. Between the which curve and this curve. Which curve this is? This is the parabola. This is the circle. So what is the given circle? X square plus y square equal to a square. From this, y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to square root of a square minus x square. That means over here the curve is y is equal to a square minus x square under root. The lines are x is equal to a by root 2 and x is equal to a. That means this one. This is in the form of y equal to f of x, so x is equal to a, x is equal to a. But here above the x-axis is there and below the x-axis also is there. So circle occupies the having equal area in each quadrant. So I am finding the curve and x is equal to a by root 2, x is equal to a, and x-axis I am taking. If we take as x-axis, it is in the form of y equal to f of x, x equal to a, x is equal to b, and x-axis. What is the area? Integral over a to b f of x dx. So here the required area is equals to integral over a by root 2 to a f of x, that is the square root of a square minus x square into dx. If we take this much, so we are getting this part only. What about this one? These two parts are having same. So just you multiply with 2. Understand? So this is our total A. Now this is equals to 2 into, it is in the form of under root of a square minus x square dx. We know this formula. What is that? X by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Limits a by root 2 to a. First we substitute lower limit. Lower limit x is equal to a by root 2. So what we are getting? A by root 2 by 2. That means a by 2 root 2. In place of x, a by root 2. Next to by 2. That means a by 2 root 2. Next to into square root of a square minus a by root 2. Sorry, this one first what we are writing? Upper limit minus lower limit. First upper limit. What is the upper limit? A. So a square minus a square. This is 0. A by 2 into square root of a square minus a square. This is 0. Plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of, in place of x, a by a. This is the upper limit. Minus lower limit now. That is in place of x, a by 2. That is a by root 2 by 2 into square root of a square minus a by root 2 whole square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of a by root 2 by a. In place of x we substituted a by root 2. Now this is equals to 2 times of a square by 2. A will cancel. Sine inverse of 1 is equals to pi by 2 minus a by 2 root 2 a by 2 root 2 into square root of a square minus a square by root 2 square is 2 plus a square by 2. Here a is get cancelled. Sine inverse of 1, sine inverse of 1 by root 2, that is equal to pi by 4. That is pi by 4. This is equal to 2 into a square pi by 2 into 4 minus a by 2 root 2 into square root of a square. Here 2 is LCM. 2a square minus a square by 2. A square by 2 plus into minus a square pi by 8. 2 4s are 8. So this is equals to 2 into a square pi by 4. Next to minus a by 2 root 2. Square root of a square is equals to a only by 2 minus a square pi by 8. So you multiply with 2, then what you are getting? A square pi by here 2. 2 2s are getting cancelled. Minus a into a square. Here 2 get cancelled. 2 into root 2 minus a square pi by here 2 4 times by 4. Okay. Now what is the LCM now? 4 is the LCM. So 2 times 2a square pi. Here 2 times minus 2a square minus a square pi. So this is equals to 2a square pi minus a square pi. A square pi only minus 2a square by 4. Now a square by 4 is common. 5 minus a square. 5 minus nothing but 5 minus 2 by 4. 5 minus 2 by 4 into a square is the answer. Okay, simplification part Application of integral is very easy. The simplification part only you need to practice. In exam also you know that answer. In simplification you are doing some mistakes, so try to practice those questions. Simplification part. You practice all the questions. In previous questions also, this chapter total number of questions 30. In previous question when already you written the previous questions 23. So what is the need of preparing previous questions? Only 7 questions are remaining. So better to practice all the questions. So you practice all the questions. Now question number 8. Next, 8th question. The area between x equal to y square and x is equals to 4 is divided into 2 equal parts by the line x is equals to a. Find the value of a. Understood? The area between x is equal to y square and x is equals to 4. This area, this line divided into 2 equal parts. So we are finding the value of a. Understood? This one now, x is equal to y square, then nothing but y square is equal to x. That implies y is equal to root x. Y square equal to x, so this is the parabola. Symmetric with x axis pass into x axis. So this is the x axis, negative x axis, negative y axis. Next, this is the parabola. Okay, x is equals to 4 line. X is equals to, this is the x is equals to 4 line. This is x is equals to 4 line. This area, that means this is the area. We are getting this area. Answer carefully. So this is the area. Between these curves is this is the area. This area, this line x is equals to line divided into 2 parts. That means this is the x is equals to a line. This one x is equals to a line. This line dividing this complete area into 2 parts. That means area of this one, area of this are equal. Area of this one, area of this one are equal. Then we are finding the value of a. Okay, how you say y is here, this one, this area you take as a1, this complete area, this area you take as a2. So by the given a1 is equals to a2 from the figure, this one from figure. Otherwise you write the area bounded between x is equal to a square, x is equal to a, equal to the area bounded between x is equals to y square and x is equals to 4, x is equals to a. So write like that. A1 is equals to a2. A1 area is this curve, which curve? Y square is equal to x curve. Y square equal to x curve and this line. That means integral over, this is the origin, so 0 to a. So 0 to a, f of x, that is root x dx, is equals to this area. That means a to 4, integral over a to 4, which curve? Again this curve only. Y square equal to x means y equal to root x dx. If we write like this, we are getting integral 0 a to b f of x dx means the area bounded by f of x is equal to a, x is equal to b, x axis only. But here above the x axis, below the x axis is there this area a1 and a2 also, I mean above the x axis, below the x axis. So both sides you take 2 times, then it is empty. After that we are cancelling these two, but you write 2 times. If you return this without 2, if you return this answer, this is the answer. So you take 2 times. Later you cancel that. Next, integration of root x. So nothing but integral of 0 to a. Root x means x power of 1 by 2 dx is equals to integral of a to 4 x power of 1 by 2 dx. X power of 1 by 2 is integration of x power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Limits over 0 to a. This is also x power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Limits over a to 4. Here 1 by 2 plus 1 constant only, no, you cancel that one. So x power of 1 by 2 plus 1 nothing but x root x. Limits over 0 to a is equals to x root x. Limits over a to 4. How I written x root x, you see x power of 1 by 2 plus 1 nothing but x power of 1 by 2 into x power of 1. X power of 1 by 2 root x. X power of 1 x root x into x nothing but x root x. Like this we written. Now you apply the limit. Upper limit a. So a root a minus lower limit in place of x is substitute 0. 0 into root 0 is equals to here upper limit 4 into root 4 minus lower limit a into root a. This is a root a is equals to 4 root 4 minus a root a. This a root a is taken left side. A root a plus a root a. This is equals to 4 into root 4 is 2. A root a 2 times of a root a. This is equals to 4 into 2. These 2 get cancelled. This is a root a is equals to a power of 1 into a power of 1 by 2. This is 4 as it is. Next to a power of 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 is equals to 4. Then a is equals to 4 to the power of 4. This one also you write this one, no? Okay, you write this one. A is equals to 4 to the power of 2 by 3. 4 to the power of 2 by 3. So this is the a value. So what we are writing a equals to that much only. So a is equals to 2 root a power of 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Otherwise, we can write this one. No, a is equals to 4 square whole power of 1 by 3. 4 square is equal to 16 to the power of 1 by 3. So a is equals to third root of 16. Third root of 16. You write this one or this one. This is also enough this answer. Okay. This is our a value. In this chapter, there is a diagram also. This figure also important. Without figure, they are not giving marks. So, this you practice that figures also. Okay.